Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your wallet supports custom RPCs and that you have the core details: RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and optional block explorer. Once those are collected, open your wallet settings and choose Network or Add Network. Enter the RPC URL first. It validates endpoint reachability immediately. Make sure to double-check the chain ID to avoid misrouting transactions. If you're on a public Wi-Fi, pause and switch to a trusted network to protect your keys before proceeding. Next, you configure the network fields precisely. Name for clarity, RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and Explorer URL for easy lookup. Once saved, validate by fetching a block number or account balance. Most wallets show immediate errors if the endpoint mismatches. If calls timeout, try an alternate RPC endpoint or increase timeout settings. That resolves intermittent latency. Also make sure your wallet and node use compatible JSON RPC versions, so methods like ethcall. Finally, save the custom network and switch to it. Then execute a small test transaction to confirm gas pricing and non-C handling. If you hit errors, inspect common causes: cores blocking in browser wallets, required API keys or headers, rate limiting on hosted endpoints, or node sync status. Make targeted fixes, update RPC URL, add headers, or choose another provider. As a last resort, revert to your previous RPC or restore from your seed backup if the network misconfiguration risks funds or transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.